I chose culinary arts because I always liked to cook and I wanted a different atmosphere for school.
I chose culinary arts because I've been cooking since I was little. I would definitely think you need to be willing to work as a team and just be willing to show up every day, do what they ask you to do. It's a very easy class if you apply yourself. Throughout these 3 years, I've just kind of grown like a family with the people in this classroom.
Well, I've been not only graciously but honored to be part of their program in the culinary department for, I believe, at least 15 years. I've done various events, guidance, mentoring, and of course I've been on the advisory board for a lot of years now. I've seen multiple educators in and out of that program that have made an incredible impact. I've hired students. I've kept in touch with students that I've oversaw the NOCD exam. In fact, I just hired a director in one of my buildings that was a graduate of the program. He's an amazing contributor. So it's been a great experience overall for me. Well, the exciting thing is that you have access to ECTS, and not everybody has that wonderful tool at their disposal. So please consider getting involved in the program. Take a look when you have the opportunity. If you have any interest in cooking, working with others, serving the population at all levels, please give a good look and make sure that you consider it. Maybe ask to visit a day and go forward. Go ECTS.